Struggling with Apple Books not syncing properly on your iPhone? No need to worry. In this video, I'll show you how you can fix this issue and keep on reading across every iDevice you got. So let's jump into the fixes without wasting any more time. Solution 1. Enable iCloud syncing. To do this, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Then tap on Apple ID from the top of the page. Next, tap on iCloud from here. After that, tap on See All from here. Now tap on iCloud Drive and toggle it on. Then go back to the previous page. Now, scroll down and find Books in this list. Then toggle it on. Now check if the issue is fixed. Solution 2. Enable Book Syncing. For this one, open up Settings again. Then scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. Next, tap on Books. Now, scroll down a little and come to the syncing section. From here, toggle on Home and iCloud Drive syncing and check if the issue is solved. Solution 3. Offload the app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage. Find out Books, tap Offload again, tap Reinstall. Solution 4. Reset your iPhone settings. First, open up the Settings app again. Then scroll down and tap on General. Next, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Now, select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings once more. Your settings will now be reset and the issue should be gone. So guys, that's how you fix Apple Books not syncing issue on your iPhone. If the video helped you out, then smash that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, feel free to write them down in the comment section below, and I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for tuning in.